In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the best out of Confluence databases. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build well-structured databases, organize your data efficiently, and create views that make collaboration much easier. Start by creating a new database using one of Confluence's built-in templates. Templates like project management, content library, or asset tracking provide a solid starting point with pre-configured fields that you can customize for your workflow. Next, choose the right field types for your data. Use text for descriptions, date for deadlines, number for calculations, people for assigning owners, and page link or Jira fields to connect related information. Using the correct field types keeps your database consistent and easier to filter later. Instead of duplicating information across multiple databases, link related records whenever possible. Connecting pages and databases creates a single source of truth and makes future updates much easier to manage. If you're moving data from another tool, use the import feature to upload a CSV file or import information from Jira. This saves time and helps you get started quickly without entering everything manually. Once your data is in place, create different views to match your workflow. Use table view for detailed information, board view for task management, or card view for visual organization. Add filters and sorting to display only the information you need, such as high priority tasks, upcoming deadlines, or items assigned to specific team members. Finally, save and share your custom views with your team so everyone works from the same organized data. Shared views improve collaboration and ensure everyone always sees the latest information. That's how to get the best out of Confluence databases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.